So here we are today. We've got our little Fiesta ST150 on the dyno, recently fitted with a 2.5 litre Duratec, the aluminium 4-cylinder 2.5 litre version of the Duratec that was fitted to this car originally. Very straightforward install, not a lot to it at all. It literally goes straight in, especially if it's on individual throttle bodies like this one is. We're on 50mm DCOE throttle bodies. Reason it's on the dyno today, we're just going to, we've cut the front panel out since the last session, so we can now get some 50mm trumpets on there. As you can see, we've moved the bonnet release forwards a little bit. We're trying to get back some of the torque, so we've got one of these engines, or a couple of these engines in kit cars, doing a lot of torque and very good power. This one was good, but not as good, so we thought we'd just try and get a bit of it back. There's the graph from last time. So as you can see, the torque is sitting around 185 190 foot-pound mark all the way along to about 5,000 RPM. We've got a peak power of 204 horsepower. So we're just going to see if we can improve on that, tweak the map if it needs it, and see what it does. So let's give it a go. So there we have it. We've done a bit of remapping, bit of tweaking, and the results are in. So that is the gain from putting some longer trumpets on there. We've gained hugely in torque. We're up to 204 foot-pound of torque there versus 185. And as you can see, that is right the way through the range. We've not lost anything at the top. We've still got the two, well, it says 202 there. That's just because of the marker position, but as you can see, it's right up there with the 203. There you go, 203 horsepower there. But yeah, all the way through we've got a very significant gain, so that is absolutely great. We really just wanted that torque back, so we've got over the 200 foot-pounds all the way up to 5,000 RPM, which is absolutely fantastic. So yeah, that's a good result. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment in the comments below, and any questions, do drop us a line, get in touch. We've got these 2.5 Duratecs available to purchase. We also obviously do the full individual throttle body kit, and we do the ME221 ECU. We can also do the individual throttle bodies based on the bike throttle bodies like that, on the 2 litre version, and many others. So yeah, do check out our website. Thanks for watching.